All right, guys. Next up, we've got break number 1 of our Hit Parade graded Bowman First Baseball. This is Series 4 altogether. Some big hits you can find in here, including an Acuna 2017 Bowman Chrome, I think Blue Refractor BGS 10. So definitely a couple $1,000 card on that one. So that would be awesome. So you got one graded Bowman First card per box. So every spot in this break gives you 3 random teams. So William, you've got 4 spots in this. Seth's got 1. Marty's got 1. Chris W with 1. Tim has got 2. And then Josh B's got 1 spot as well. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize our teams here. We'll randomize all 30 teams 5 times. All right, so 3 teams per spot. Let's go ahead and randomize this 5 times and then match them up. All right, here we go. So Chris W., you've got the Nationals, the Giants, and the Tigers. Josh has got the Astros, Red Sox, and Dodgers. Marty with the Diamondbacks, the White Sox, and the Phillies. Seth's got the A's, Marlins, and Cubs. Tim with the Reds, Twins, Angels, Padres, Blue Jays, and Brewers. And then William, you've got the Rockies, Pirates, Rangers, Yankees, Royals, Orioles, Mariners, Mets, Braves, Cardinals, Indians, and the Rays. All right, there are your listed teams. All right, so this is going to be box 50 out of 100. All right, it's going to be a White Sox, which Marty, this is you, Nick Madrigal. 2018 Bowman Draft. And a PSA 10 on that one. So that's just his base Bowman First. So no auto or anything on that. So not terrible. So we will get that card in the mail tomorrow. So Marty, congratulations. Appreciate you guys helping us fill this break up. And I've got one more box of this that we'll open up on the website soon. And hopefully be able to do that. Hopefully we can pull a bigger hit out of that one.